Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Eid Special Drink Cold Coffee. Just 5 minutes ready to yummy drink. Coffee 2 teaspoon. Two teaspoon of sugar according to your taste. Half liter milk. Cream 2 tablespoon. Now we will grind all these things well to 4 minutes. Now let's add ice cubes to it and grind it well again. Now you will decorate the glasses with chocolate, just a little bit of it. Add vanilla ice cream. Keep sugar consumption low because ice cream contains sugar. Add cold coffee. Decorative chocolate syrup and coffee sprinkles. If you like my recipes, please subscribe, like my channel. Thank you for watching.